Hey marketers, you know what they say, right? Data is the new oil. But instead of powering your economy, a lot of marketers end up in a slippery mess of customer data. So what can you do? Enter MarTech, your best friend for decoding all of this humongous amount of customer data and saving time and ultimately coming up with actionable insights that help you drive better marketing campaigns. Now imagine a situation where your website traffic is flatlining, your social media growth isn't happening, maybe your customers are seeing you on Instagram but you don't even know. How do you know what is happening on every channel? A MarTech platform is like that detective sidekick, like a Watson to a Sherlock Holmes, who will tell you where all of your customer clues are buried. Today, we are going to be exploring how to implement a MarTech platform for your brand. Now, what's step number one? It's integrating all of your customer data in one place, because that's where all the good stuff lives, right? Essentially, a MarTech platform helps you bring all of your campaign and customer data in one place, giving you a unified view of the customer. Ultimately, less chaos, more clarity. Step number two is personalized segmentation. Have you been to one of those parties where there's a costume, everybody is looking the same, you're not able to identify your friends? Can marketing campaigns be like that? A single campaign for all kinds of customers? No, right? A MarTech platform especially gives you the ability to create advanced segments of your customers, which enables you to create personalized campaigns based on the interests and behavior of specific segments. This way, your customer feels as if the message is especially meant for them, which ultimately helps your conversion rates. Step number three is predictive analytics. What does predictive analytics mean? It essentially creates a fortune teller out of you as a marketer. MarTech platforms have evolved to an extent where they can tell you what's the next action that your customer will possibly take. This gives you a massive superpower where you can plan out your future marketing interventions based on the predictive inputs that your MarTech platform is giving. Isn't this amazing? Step number four is cross-channel insights. It is you becoming the master of the multiverse of your marketing campaigns. A MarTech platform gives you the visibility on where your customers are spending time, on what channel are they engaging with you, at what time, etc. etc. As a marketer, you can design your marketing campaigns to send the right message via the right channel at the right time. And now comes the big one. Step number five is real-time reporting. Imagine you getting live feedback from your customer behavior data while your campaigns are running. It is like you driving a Formula 1 car and getting real-time instructions from a pit crew, ultimately helping you win the race. A MarTech platform gives you real-time data on customer behavior from your campaigns. It helps you tweak your campaign messaging on the go to maximize the possible impact from your campaigns. Now that you understand what are the essential 5 steps to implementing a MarTech platform, what's the next level? Imagine all of the capabilities of your MarTech platform being supercharged with AI. An AI add-on actually automatically segments customers, is able to automatically develop customer journeys for you, and even predict the next best action that your customer will take. Isn't this a great superpower? A platform like Netcore Cloud leverages the next generation of AI to improve campaign results and convert more customers. Basically, you can sit back and let Netcore Cloud do the heavy lifting while you can focus on the big picture strategy to improve conversions and drive up the engagement from your campaigns. If you're interested in what the Netcore Cloud platform does, please check out the link in the description below. If this video helped you, please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and we'll answer them.